Hi! Hi! Oh, the president of Kenya is coming! Ruto! We are just waiting. He's coming. You see? Yeah. The motorcade is coming. The president is going.
Yeah, you see? You saw him?
No.
He's waving.
Hey. We're going out. I'm showing this maize. Hey, they're very beautiful. And the banana. You see? Banana. Wow. The bananas here. If they could have planted here. Hey. It's already. Maybe. Huh? Where is that? Look guys, people are planting kale. Wow, very fresh. The one here, sukuma. Huh? It's sukuma wiki. Wow, you see, because it's always raining here now. The plants are growing very nice. People are planting. You don't need to buy. Huh? Kienyeji. He's bathing. Mutumba is here. Hello everyone. We're walking outside now. Still hot. Yeah. We're just going for a walk, but now we're seeing a lot of people over there. So we want to go and check. The president of Kenya is coming. Ruto. That's why there's a lot of police here. Let me see if I can see the president of Kenya. You see, there's a lot of people here. Oh guys, we entered. I don't know where is here. Where is this place?
Affordable housing.
Affordable housing. Oh, so we're going to the affordable housing. I think the president of Kenya is coming to launch. So
I pray that those will not have.
Did you hear? My friend is praying, and we are with the game.
I pray that nothing will. And now I haven't asked even if it's going to be here. Be careful with your phone.
Songa hivi. Baba, songa hivi. Songa hivi.
we cannot wait for the president to come because it's too hot and we're carrying Hakim. Yeah, we will just wait outside. No, they will. There's a lot of people over there.
No, there, you know, people might fight, you never know.
Yeah, maybe someone will grab my phone. My God.
Where is mine?
Now we want to go outside. We pass through that gate. You see the police car? That's the president escort. So now we're going out. We're gonna take risk. If we don't have a baby, it's fine.
Wait out there, then we record this motorcade.
Yeah.
Oh, no. I'm also scared.
We want to see what is happening, but it's very scary. That people. People are waiting for
It's
Ruto.
going down.
It's okay. So guys, the president of Kenya is coming. Now there's a lot of police here. We are just waiting. He's coming. You see? Yeah. The motorcade is coming. Look how many cars are coming. We hope we will see the president of Kenya. Hey, they were there. They're alone.
Mimi na celebrate Aguambo.
Hakim is witnessing
Yeah,
the president. Yeah.
Whole life.
Hakim is only 10 months.
Yeah, and he's witnessing. For us, we waited the whole
Your dad is missing these things.
You will watch.
Yeah.
You will watch in your channel.
My love, you will watch in my channel.
YouTube channel. I'm advertising. We will follow. Yeah, subscribe. Watch. Hey. Oh no,
This video is for my subscriber, especially for my husband who's not around.
Oh my God, and we never knew that this is going to happen.
Yeah. Oh.
Just walking. Hiyo ni band.
Ruto is coming.
The band is inside.
President of Kenya has already entered. We didn't see him, only the car. So you see, there's a lot of people here. Hakim, Hakim, you witness a motorcade? So you see, guys, we're going now. We never knew that the president is coming. We're just going for a walk. But you see, we saw a lot of people here. And now we are going because it might rain. You see the clouds over there.
Very nice. Unlike the other side. Here they are.
The president is going.
Yeah, you see? You saw him?
No.
He's waving. He's
Hey.
waving.
I didn't see him.
Oh, he's there.
Hey.
He's waving.
We could have stayed that side.
That side, I could have captured me.
Hey, I didn't see the president. My God.
He's there.